Everyone, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
That's great. For a moment. Okay. So today is the continuation of our class. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. So now, we will going to start our class. So let me share my screen now to you. Okay, so can you see your book now?
Yes.
Okay, so we are here now on this part of your book on page 88. Okay,
Yeah.
do you have your book now?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So here we will go to first talk about a flower, which is all about flowers. So on this one or on this activity, we will be having a completion where you need to complete the paragraph below by using the provided words here inside the box. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
PlantNet is a citizen science project and an app that helps people identify plants using just their smartphones. It was developed by scientists from four French um, research organization.
Okay, research.
Users who know a lot about plants add photos and information to a database. Then, if someone wants to learn the name of a plant they see, they can download the app, take a photo of the plant, and upload their photo to the database. The app will look for other plants and database that look the same and list the results. Finally, that user will need to mm,
What do they need to the results?
review
I agree. They will going to review it.
review the results and confirm that their plant is one of the species from the list. Currently, there are over 700,000 images in PlantNet, and this number will continue to grow. I think that users are quite proud to contribute to such as a new collective knowledge, says Alexis Jolie, one of the app's developers.
Okay, very good. So we are all in here. So this passage or this paragraph is mainly about the planet. Okay. So once again, Riwon, what is planet?
Planet.
Yes. According to the passage that you have.
Uh, it's the project that people can know about some plants.
Okay, very good. So planet is an application that developed by the scientists. And on this app, you can try to upload some images or some plants that you discover, and then this database will going to review or process the thing that you upload, and then that's it. You will going to know the name and the species of those plants. So
Yeah.
do you have any more questions about this one?
No.
No. So let's try to have now the words in context, and this would be this one. Okay, so let's try to complete the sentences by choosing A or B.
When you post information on the internet, you make it available to other people.
Very good.
If you take part in an activity, you do it together with other people.
Yes, okay.
Something that is rare is very unusual. If you have experience with a particular website, you have used it before. If you are online, your computer is connected to the internet.
Okay, very good. So now we are all done discussing this one. So as you can see, you have the word post. Okay, like in social media. If you post on social media, like for example on TikTok, you post some content or video, it means that you are making that content or those videos available to other people. Okay, so take part is like that you are one of the people who are taking part of an action or an activity. For example, tree planting. So tree planting is an activity where you will going to plant a tree. So as a student, you need to take part of it. Okay. Number three is rare or very unusual. So those things that you can see often, experience, and online. So now let's try to move on the last one for this topic. So this one, you will be having the word take part. Okay, and it is one of many collocation with the verb take. So take part is from the word take, which is a verb. So you need to complete the sentences using the words or phrases in the box, and one word is extra.
Hmm. Okay. The conference will take um, a picture.
Yes.
What is the conference?
Okay, conference is an activity where there is a speaker and also a listener.
Mm,
It is like a meeting.
ah, will take place in October.
Yes, very good. To take place or this conference or this meeting will going to happen in October. Place. Now, how about number two?
Uh, it is everyone's responsibility to take care of the environment.
Okay, very good. Last one.
The students have been studying for 6 hours, so they decided to take a break.
Okay, a break. Very good. Now, we will be moving on now here. So on this one, we will be having the bio blitz. So all you need to do is to read the information, and after that, we will be having the meanings of each of every word that is in a bold letter.
A BioBlix is a citizen science events that focuses on founding and classifying as many species as possible in a sub- specific
Yes.
area over 1 or 2 days. It brings together scientists and other volunteers, and it can take place anywhere from a large national park to a small schoolyard. The goal is to create an inventory of all the species that lives in an area and to show the nature is all around us. In 2014, the National Geographic Society helped organize the BioBlitz in the Golden Gate National Recreation Area in the United States. Volunteers found a great diversity of plants and animals there, including freshwater sponges, rare butterflies and snakes, and even a mountain lion.
Okay, very good. So here, the bold letter that you have are the word classifying, volunteers, inventory, and diversity. And after that, we will going to have now the meanings of each word.
Classify is hmm, hmm. Classify is to put something into groups according to type.
Yes, very good. That's the one. So as you can see here in the phrase, classifying as many species as possible. So meaning species are those different types of organisms that live in a place. Okay, very good. How about number two?
Volunteer is someone who does work without being paid for it.
Okay,
Inventory is a complete list of the things that are in a place.
okay,
Diversity is to the states of being different or varied.
okay, very good. Diversity. Good job. Like nowadays, gender is it gender nowadays are very diverse, or it has a diversity, because nowadays we have different gender. Okay, we have female, male, or those lesbian or LGBTQ. Do you know the word LGBTQ?
No?
Okay, so LGBTQ are those person or a group of people that has a different gender, like trans woman, trans man, gay, lesbian, and more, something like that. Okay, I will going to show you this one. Does it have any? Oh no, it doesn't have any. But LGBTQ are are a group of people that has a different gender
Hmm.
besides female and male. Okay. Now, according to this one or on this topic, do you have any more questions?
No.
No? Now, we will be moving on now on the next topic because we don't have the video on this one, so we cannot have the activity. So let's try to have the unit 7. Do you have your book?
Mm, I only have a video page.
Oh, until here, page 90.
Yeah, so I print 88 and 89 and 90.
Oh, okay. But I don't have the video so that we will not be having this one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Because for you to answer this activity, you need the video, but I don't have it right now. So
Okay.
let's try to use this one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here is unit 7. That is all about when dinosaurs ruled. So a dinosaur hunts the reptiles in a scene from a Triassic period. So before we have this topic, let's try to have this one first. So how about you, Riwon? What movies about dinosaurs have you seen?
Mm, Jurassic Park.
Yeah, Jurassic Park. So did you like them?
Yes.
Yeah, so why?
Mm, because when I was young, I thought that dinosaur was an imaginary creature, but now I'm grew up, so I knew that they extinct a long time ago. So I just wanted to see them face to face.
Okay, yeah, that's great because seeing dinosaur in a movie is very unusual
Yeah,
because we didn't grow up on this world that has a dinosaur on our planet or on Earth. That's why it is cool if you watch dinosaurs because it's very unusual.
yeah.
Now, let's try to have this one now. So this one is 7A. So we will going to discuss about this illustration. So all you need to do is to look at the timeline on the right, then answer the question below. So here is the first question. So what kind of animal were dinosaurs?
A chicken.
A chicken? A chicken. Um, I don't think so. Wait for a moment. Okay. No, a chicken is a mammal because dinosaur is a prehistoric reptiles. So what do you mean by reptiles?
Ah,
What do you mean by reptiles?
reptile is that that lays eggs.
Okay, very good. So reptiles are those animals of a class that includes like snake, lizards, crocodile, turtle, and some turtles. And those animals also lays egg. And all because dinosaur, I think, also lays egg. Because as you can see here, nowadays we have lizards or iguana, and they are considered as a species of dinosaurs because those reptiles or like the iguana or yeah the iguana is look like a dinosaurs. It has the characteristic of a dinosaurs before. Okay, our back
Okay.
to that. Now let's try the half number 2. So what did dinosaurs become extinct?
Mm, when?
Yeah,
66 million years ago.
okay, very good. Good job. So now, what do you mean by the word extinct?
That means uh There's no longer species as dinosaurs.
Yes, okay, because yes, good job. Or they are no longer existing on Earth. Yeah, you also have the idea. So now we will be having this one. So as you can see here, dinosaurs live in three periods: the Triassic, Jurassic period, and the Cretaceous period. So Jurassic period. So those dinosaurs are the dinosaurs that you watch in the movie Jurassic World. Because as I know that in this periods there are different species of dinosaurs live back then. Okay,
Ah, yeah.
in these three periods. So now let's try to have the story about the truth about dinosaurs. Okay, so let's start with A.
Dinosaurs are fascinating, but half-truths and myths about them are common. For years, scientists thought dinosaurs were just giant reptiles. Some dinosaurs were huge, but but many were about the size of modern days birds or dogs. Were dinosaurs warm or cold blood? Pal paleontologist
Paleontologist.
paleontologists are still not sure, but they now believe a few dinosaurs were intelligent. Some smaller ones, like the two mentor Troodon, had fairly large brains.
Okay. So here, as you can see, dinosaurs are so fascinating. And on this one, we will going to know half truths or yeah, half truths about the myth about them. So for years, scientists thought that dinosaurs were all giant because on the movie Jurassic World, dinosaurs are all giant. Most of them are giant. But on this one, dinosaurs were also about the size of modern birds or dogs. So there are also dinosaurs that are also small. So were dinosaurs warm or cold-blooded? So what do you mean by cold-blooded?
The blood is cold blood.
No. So so cold-blooded is that those cold-blooded. So for on dinosaurs, cold-blooded means that they kill. They kill other animal. They always kill other animal. So meaning they are wild because they kill other animal. Cold-blooded.
Mm,
Okay. And here, paleontologists are still not sure if those animals or dinosaurs are all cold-blooded or really likes to kill other animals. And but they now believe that few dinosaurs were also intelligent. Okay, so paleontologists doesn't know if all of the dinosaurs are cold-blooded because they know but they know that they were intelligent because some smaller ones like the 2-meter Troodon had a fairly large brain. So once again, a paleontologist is also a scientist who studies plants and animals that lived million years ago. So now let's try to have the next one.
was T-Rex a powerful predator? While some scientists think Tyrannosaurus rex was a powerful predator, others think the opposite is true. For example, in the movies, T-Rex is often a fast-moving giant. In reality, though, the dinosaur could not run fast. It was too large to move very quickly, so it probably moved about as fast as an elephant. T-Rex also had very small arms and probably wasn't a powerful hunter. It may have been a scavenger instead, eating dead animals.
Okay, so here there is a question. Was T-Rex powerful predator? So according to them, Tyrannosaurus Rex was a powerful predator. But others think that it is the opposite. They think that others think that opposite is true. Like for example, in the movie T-Rex, T-Rex are often fast-moving giant, but in reality, though, these dinosaurs could not run fast because of their size or weight. Okay, and they believe that T-Rex can only move as fast as an elephant. Okay, and also it had a very small arms and probably wasn't a powerful hunter. So they believe that it have been T-Rex is just a scavenger. So do you know the word scavenger?
I think I just heard of that.
Okay. So scavengers are those animal that only eat the remains of other animal. So remains are those dead animal that is being eaten by other animal, but they didn't finish it. So the dinosaur or the T-Rex,
Oh, oh, then they don't hunt,
yes,
just
because
eat the rest of it.
yes, because
Uh,
if they see the remains of other animals' food, and they will just going to eat it. Like for example, a falcon, a falcon or those birds that eat the remains of the remains of other animal food.
yeah.
So scientists or paleontologists believe that T-Rex were not a powerful hunters because they have a short and small arms. But in the movie, they were hunter, right? They are the
Yeah.
one who hunts and kill other animal. That's why they are called cold-blooded because
Uh,
they are cruel. They doesn't
yeah.
have any pity at all. Now, let's try to move on here on the next one, which is this. Could dinosaurs fly?
Some reptiles known as Pterosaurus were able to fly, but even though they looked like them, these were not dinosaurs. Pter- Pterosaurus, such as Tupasa, Tupasara, Ara,
Yes.
Pterosaurus were actually very heavy, so they probably could not take off from the ground like birds. Instead, they first had to drop or throw themselves from trees in order to fly, much like bats.
Okay, very good. So Pterosaurus is a kind of reptile, but and were able to fly. But even though they look like them or they look like dinosaurs, they were not actually dinosaurs. Okay, they not dinosaurs. So I will just going to show you the Pterosaurus. It's still loading. Okay. Did you see it now in our chat box? Okay.
Whoa.
Yes, that's the Pterosaurus, but they are not a dinosaur. They are not considered dinosaur. And also, scientists believe that Pterosaurus were actually very heavy. That's why they doesn't have the capacity to take off from the ground like birds. So instead, for them to fly, they will going to drop themselves from the trees and then start flapping their wings. Okay?
Oh,
Remember, this kind of reptile can't fly. They can take off like an airplane from ground to air. So for them to fly, they will going to drop themselves from the tree and start flapping, much like a bat. Okay?
okay.
Any questions?
No.
No. So let's try to have the next one. Are all dinosaurs extinct?
Dinosaurs completely disappeared about 66 million years ago. Scientists think they died out because of a global climate change. The Earth's temperature became too cold for them to survive. Now you can only see dinosaurs in museums. However, scientists believe that modern day birds are, in fact, dinosaurs' descendants. If this is true, then dinosaurs' relatives are still walking and flying among us.
Okay, very good. So dinosaurs are completely extinct for about 666 million years ago because of the climate change, because they didn't, what do you call it? They didn't take the cold weather or the climate here on Earth. That's why they didn't survive. But nowadays, you can also see some dinosaurs in museums. However, scientists believe that modern day birds are in fact dinosaur descendants. Okay, so like what you said earlier, the chickens, right? So chickens are considered a dinosaur descendants because they have some features of a dinosaur. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, lastly, if it is true, then dinosaurs' relatives are still walking and flying among us, like chicken, because chicken is also known as the descendants of dinosaurs. So now, do you have any more questions?
No?
Okay, like for example, the what do you call it? Ostrich.
Yeah.
Yeah, ostrich is also descendants of some dinosaurs, like crocodile, turtle, and more, because they have the the features. They have a features of a dinosaurs. Now we are all done here. So do you have any more questions?
No.
Okay. If no, we will be having now the reading comprehension. Okay, so let's start with one.
What could be another title for this reading? Mm, dinosaurs, myths, and realities.
Yes, very good. So myth is all about the things or the story in the past about dinosaurs. And the realities are those realities made by the scientists or discovered by the scientists. Now, how about here in two?
Uh, with statements about True dawn is probably true. Mm, it was quite intelligent.
Yes, it is quite intelligent. Very good. Because Trudon is a type of dinosaur. Okay. How about number three?
Some paleotor, paleotor,
Paleon,
paleontologists pal-
Paleontologist.
paleontologists think T-Rex was a scavenger. What does this mean?
Okay.
Mm, it ate dead or decaying material.
Okay, very good. So it ate dead animals because they were not hunter. So how about number four?
What does them refer to in paragraph C, line 2?
Okay, let's see the paragraph C, line 2. Them.
They looked like them. Dinosaurs?
Yes, they were dinosaurs. Very good. Now, how about 5?
What happened 66 million years ago? The last dinosaurs died out.
Okay, very good. They are extinct on those years. Now let's try to have the matching. So here in matching, we need to match the statement 1 to 5 with the creature it's described, right? A, B, or C. Okay. So it could fly.
Tupusaura.
Yes, very good. It had a large brain.
Trudon.
Yes, that's why they are very intelligent. 3, it was very big.
T-Rex.
Okay. 4, it was too big to run fast.
T-Rex.
Okay, it was a reptile but not a dinosaur.
C.
See, okay, good. Now, this one is the Trudon. Okay, Trudon, that was a very intelligent dinosaur. So even though it has a small head, it's really intelligent because maybe their brain is too big. Now, let's try to have the next one. So we will be having this, the last one for this. In this one, writers often use example to support the ideas. And this is also important when claiming that something is true. So writers also support a claim with example or evidence because for something to be true, you need to have a supporting idea, supporting statement, or some evidence so that many people or the reader is more likely to believe your thought. Okay, so the words here or phrases that signals some example include, for example, like and such as. So those are the example that you can use here. So let's try to have this one. So circle the words or phrases in these sentences that signals example.
Okay. Oh. Hmm.
Okay, good. So those are the words that can include or can provide an example. So, or an evidence. So we are all done for this one. So we will just going to continue this topic on our next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for tonight, Riwon. So before we end, do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you and have a good day. Bye.
Hi.